Our demo shows a standard out-of-the-box CRM version with a couple of minor modifications. All we have seen before is boxed CRM capabilities. The first modification, the customer page, has a built-in business process wizard. This is no longer a CRM, this is Hydra MS. Each button is a separate automated process. This is not just a scheme, it is an interactive live workflow of the BP, which reflects the real logic of a business process. This means that you always have an up-to-date version of the process which employees use for daily routine tasks. A business process is a sequence of steps designed to achieve a specific goal, in our case, to ensure that a new customer gets the service they ordered. A process usually consists of both automatic steps that have scripts attached to and manual steps that have on-screen forms. Scripts perform tasks of interacting with DBs, for example, when a client is created and activated in billing or receives an SMS notification. Manual steps are used where automation is not possible, for example, to call the client and confirm the date when your technician should arrive. Now we are ready to connect the service for a new customer. Let's start the process. As you see, it is performed by Hydra MS with a BPM engine integrated into it. The automation logic is described with the help of standard diagrams in BPMN 2.0 graphic format, which is familiar for any business analyst. This is what the new customer connection process looks like. Rectangles with a scroll in the corner stand for automated steps with a figure of a man. For manual ones, processes can branch and be non-linear, for example, in cases when SLA timers are to be used. We have started the business process to connect a new subscriber. Based on the predefined logic, we fill in the required information. The screen form asks us to enter information about the exact street address of the customer, so the technician can get to them and perform the connection works. We also fill in the primary information about the price plan the customer has chosen, prepaid or postpaid services with contracts, and kinds of services our future customer would like to receive. All screen forms are customized to the requirements of each service provider, as business processes are unique in each company. Thus, although box products such as Hydra and CRM are used, the interface for the employees is customizable. Let's move on the next step. An automatic check of the connection availability for the chosen services is performed at the address which the client specified in the request for connection. The system checks the Hydra's real estate database, finds the right building, and shows whether it is possible to connect the client. Next, you choose the services and price plans. For Internet, the price plans are displayed from the list of those available in the billing system. You can also select price plan options. In the next step, we collect information about the second service, which our client is going to receive. Then we choose price plan options and equipment. The logic of collecting information is described in the BPMM business process diagram. We collect information about the Internet service, skip the telephony service, which the subscriber did not select, and collect additional information about the TV service. We have finished with the IPTV service price plan selection and received the confirmation screen form. Here you can change the choice or continue. The operator moves on the next step. At this point, the business process generates all the necessary entities, including the subscriber, equipment, and subscriptions in the billing system. But the subscription is yet to be activated because the subscriber is waiting to be physically connected. Now on the customer page in CRM system, you can see that a billing widget has appeared. It displays information about subscriptions, payments, invoices, and customer details. Thus, call center employees don't have to switch between tabs in their browser and learn how to work in several systems. They work only in the CRM interface. Thank you for your attention.